So today we're going to be switching out the battery on this 2013 and 2018 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram key fob. We're going to start by sliding and releasing our key blade, identifying our second slot using our key blade. We're going to go ahead and create some separation. Go ahead and remove your chip from your fob, exposing our battery. We're going to go ahead and just simply slide our battery out. This is a CR2032 battery. We're going to go ahead and insert the battery facing the correct way. Push in, hear that click. And now we're ready to go ahead and finish this installation. Go ahead and align your buttons with the rubber. Then go ahead and get that base plate and that cover. Go ahead and do a 360 clip around click. Go ahead and insert your key. Make sure you hear that click. Quick pull to make sure you're fastened. You're good to go.